Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to remove third-party app access from your GitHub account. As you can see, currently I'm on github.com. To remove a third-party app from your GitHub account, you need to click on your profile picture, which will be somewhere on the top right. Then click on Settings. Now here, scroll a bit. On the left-hand side, you will find Applications. Click on it. So here you can see I got two apps here. Let's remove Lovable. Simply click on Configure. Scroll a bit and here you will find Uninstall. Simply click on it. Click on OK. Refresh the page and you can see it's gone. So I hope you understood how to remove third-party app access from your GitHub account. See you next video. Have a nice day.